Every day, thousands of students complete courses on AI, but very few of them are actually ready to build production applications. The problem is not a lack of information. There is already too much information available online. The real problem is knowing what to learn, in what order, and how to build projects that companies actually care about. That is exactly why I created the TPM Nexus AI Developer Internship Program. This is a practical 12-week journey where you will learn Python, machine learning, generative AI, large language models, RAG, AI agents, APIs, cloud deployment, and most importantly, how to build real-world AI applications from scratch. If your goal is to become an AI developer, this program is built for you. Software development is changing faster than ever before. Companies are no longer hiring developers who only know traditional programming. Today, almost every company is integrating AI into its products. Developers are expected to understand large language models, AI APIs, retrieval, augmented generation, automation, and intelligent workflows. That means the next generation of software engineers will also be AI engineers. Learning AI is no longer optional. It is becoming an essential career skill. Most colleges do a good job teaching concepts, but companies do not hire you based on theory alone. They hire you because you can solve problems. In college, you study algorithms, complete assignments, and write exam programs. In the industry, you build APIs, work with Git, deploy applications, integrate AI models, and collaborate on real software products. That gap between academics and industry is exactly what we bridge in this internship. Our focus is practical engineering, not just classroom learning. Think of this internship as a bridge. On one side is classroom learning. On the other side is building AI products that people can actually use. During these 12 weeks, you will move step by step from understanding concepts to deploying complete AI applications. By the end of the program, you will not just understand AI, you will have built it. This program is designed for ambitious learners. If you are a final year student preparing for placements, this program will help you build an industry-ready portfolio. If you are a fresh graduate looking for your first job, this gives you practical experience. If you are switching your career into AI, this provides a structured roadmap. And if you simply love AI and want to build real applications, you are absolutely welcome. I meet many students who have watched hundreds of YouTube videos. They have completed multiple online courses. But when asked to build something from scratch, they struggle. Watching videos does not build confidence. Building projects does. That is why this internship is project-driven. You will write code. You will use GitHub. You will deploy applications. You will integrate enterprise AI APIs. And you will receive continuous mentor feedback throughout your journey. Many students ask me where they should begin. Should they learn Python, machine learning, prompt engineering, AI agents, cloud? The answer is all of them, but in the right sequence. We begin with core programming skills. Then we build AI fundamentals. After that, we move into advanced generative AI technologies like RAG, AI agents, LangChain, and LangGraph. Finally, we learn deployment using FastAPI, Docker, PostgreSQL, and AWS. Each layer builds naturally on the previous one. The program follows a carefully designed roadmap. The first 3 weeks focus on core development skills like Python, APIs, SQL, and Git. Weeks 4 to 6 cover machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. Weeks 7 to 9 move into large language models, prompt engineering, retrieval augmented generation, and AI agents. Finally, during the last 3 weeks, you will build and deploy your capstone project and prepare your professional portfolio. One of the biggest challenges students face during interviews is proving their skills. Certificates alone are not enough. Recruiters want to see what you have built. During this internship, you will build multiple AI applications. You will create projects like Resume Analyzer, Chat with PDF, AI Interview Assistant, Customer Support Chatbot, Meeting Notes Generator, Research Assistant, and many more. By the end, you will have a GitHub portfolio that demonstrates real engineering capability.
My name is Binay Kumar Shah. I have more than 16 years of experience in the technology industry. Currently, I work as a senior product manager leading enterprise AI initiatives across SaaS platforms. Throughout my career, I have worked closely with engineering teams building AI-powered products using large language models, RAG, AI agents, and enterprise-scale architectures. Everything you learn in this internship comes directly from real industry experience, not just academic theory. This internship is designed to create tangible career outcomes. You will complete production-ready AI projects. You will have a strong GitHub portfolio. You will develop practical engineering skills that companies actually expect. And you will receive an internship certificate upon successful completion. The goal is simple. When someone asks what you can build, you will have real proof. Building projects is only one part of getting hired. You also need a strong resume, a professional LinkedIn profile, interview preparation, mock interviews, and a strategy for applying to the right opportunities. That is why we support you throughout your job search journey. We want you to succeed, not just complete the program. Joining the internship is straightforward. First, submit your application. We review every profile carefully. Shortlisted candidates receive enrollment details and onboarding instructions. Once enrolled, your 12-week journey begins. We intentionally keep the batches small so every participant receives individual attention. I often receive a few common questions. Do you need prior AI experience? No, we start from the fundamentals. Do you need Python knowledge? Basic familiarity is helpful, but we teach Python during the program. Will sessions be live? Yes. Will recordings be available? Absolutely. And yes, you will receive an internship certificate after successfully completing the program. If you are serious about becoming an AI developer, this is your opportunity to build real skills instead of collecting more certificates. Scan the QR code or visit tpmnexus.pro to apply. Applications are reviewed on a rolling basis, and seats are limited to maintain small batch mentoring. I look forward to helping you build, deploy, and launch your career as an industry-ready AI developer. Thank you, and I hope to see you inside the program.